your love away. And I'm thankful every day for the gift. Watching as you softly sleep, what I'd give if I could keep just this moment. If only time stood still, but the colors fade away, and the years will make us great. Baby, in my eyes, you'll still be beautiful. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You set my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away, and I'm thankful every day for the gift. Ang patient ng pusa ako na yung kuting. Naghihintay siya talaga dito sa baka. All I want is to hold you forever. All I need is you more every day. You save my heart from being broken apart. You gave your love away. I can't find the words to say, and I'm thankful every day for your Norton Vision.
Covers TH.
Tingnan sana. Nag-birthday ka ba, Ana? Happy birthday. Ilan taon ka na? Hey, beloved, is Dominic. Pasko. Saan ka ba sa San Jose, Arian? Medyo kay. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I love you much better. If ever you're in my... Bata pa.
Covers TH.
Pwede magpagawa ng kalendaryo. Napapasadya yan. Para impersonalized. Palagay mo yung edad mo. Pag may nagtanong, kapag may nasabi wala ka na sa kalendaryo, sampalin mo. It all came so easy, all the loving you gave me, the feelings we shared. And I still can't remember how your touch was so tender. It told me you cared. We had a once in a lifetime but I just couldn't see until it was gone. A second once in a lifetime. Is it too much to ask? But I swear from now on, if ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end.
Kimraz, ay malay mo malapit lang pala ako sa bahay niyo. Kimraz, ay Sean, mabait. Ana, thank you Kimraz.
Now I'm seeing clearly I'll be 3 stars. I still love you so.
Thank you. Thank you.
There's something between us that won't ever leave us. There's no letting go.
Ana, thank you for that. Thank you Kimraz.
We had a once in a lifetime, but I just didn't know it till my life fell apart.
Thank you.
A second once in a lifetime. Is it too much to ask? 'Cause I swear from now on.
Thank you Kim. Alexis.
If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll hold you forever. This time will never end.
Honey, MB Joy, Vinci.
Never end.
Kan Boling District.
The best of romances deserve second chances. I'll get to you somehow, as I promised now. If ever you're in my arms again, this time I'll love you much better. If ever you're in my arms again.
Ana, thank you. Happy 3 stars. Thank you, bro. Malapit sa District Hospital. Kakanan. Kakanan ka ba ng District Hospital? Pag kumanan kaya yata doon papunta Magbay, tama ba? Okay, thank you for having me. San Isidro, San Isidro. Wala, thank you. And then this time, thank you, happy 3 stars. By freestyle. Ang sarap ng matcha na yung black. Dire-diretso pa. Alexis, thank you. Lara, my name. Thank you. Ayan, pasok ko na. Ayan.
Oh, sorry, girl. Got some huge pain. Didn't mean to make you cry, but I ever all in vain. I apologize for nasaktan. You were there so much, but all I did was let you down. Really don't know.
Wait lang.
Just want to say, all I know is that I want you to stay. This time I'm not gonna let you slip away. This time I'm not gonna let another days go by without holding you so tight, without treating you so right. This time I'm not gonna let go of your love.
Ay, Jesus.
This time I promise you that we'll rise above it all. I won't ever let you fall. Gonna give you my all this time.
Yoshi.
I've been thoughting you.
Ala! Thank you!
Been thoughting you.
Thank you, Manay!
Now I know that I was wrong.
Thank you!
Now I know just what to do. Gotta try to be
Thank you! Hindi ko mapindot.
best that I can be.
Hindi ko na nakita yung Bex.
All I need is one more chance. Make it up to see, you'll see. And there's one more thing that you wanna know. All I know is that I don't want you to go. This time I'm not gonna let you slip away. This time I'm not gonna let another days go by
Divine!
without holding you so tight, without treating you so right. This time I'm not gonna let go of your love. This time I promise I will rise above it all. I will never let you fall. Gonna give you my all this time.
Yung round, Manay. Thank you! Ano?
I'm not gonna let go, slip away.
Ano yung Divine?
This time I'm not gonna let another days go by without holding you so tight,
Sophia!
without treating you so right. This time I'm not gonna let go of your love. This time I promise that we will rise above it all. I won't ever let you fall. Gonna give you my all this time.
But you're feeling it na. Nakakatanga tong tono nito. Kapag first time mo makanta, mawawala ka eh. Pakinggan niyo to. Eto. You're welcome. Thank you, Manay. Emerald, thank you.
This time I'm not gonna let go of your love.
Bingo. Ito, pakinggan niyo. Ilang beses na ako nadali dito eh. Nawawamali ako. Di ba ang tono nito, original? Ram, Shaggy. Ito.
Oh, gonna give you my all this time.
Di ba normal? Ram, hey, Shuki. Tapos sa angat ng isa.
This time not gonna let go, slip away. This time not gonna let another day go by.
Hey,
Gonna do this alright.
baba.
This time not gonna let down.
Original, biglang umangat, biglang bumaba. Ano yun? Anong kanta ni JR Divine? Hey, thank you.
Alam ko'y misteryoso. Di
Saan
pa
ka?
mabasa ang iyong tunay na motibo. Ibang
Ay,
pinapakita,
ba't ba tayo nagsasalamin?
taliwas sa iyong salita. Pero ayokong magduda pagka nang sa simula. Maghihintay na lang na ika'y dumaan.
Ayoko. Pangkopi ko. Sa isang pangkopi ko. Bilal, kahit kailan, may JR. May JR ba yun? Kunal, Shai, thank you. Thank you! Thank you, Imran. Oh, thank you so much! Thank you! Testing dyan. Thank you. Thank you, too. Eh, di ba ang kahit kailan by South Border yan? Pero ni-revive ni JR. Ang sinasabi mo, kantahin ko yung version ni JR. Wait lang nga, parang nalilito na ako. Saan nagka-type? Kahit kailan. Sabi ni Divine. Ayun kanta ni JR. Thank you! Thank you. Sige, version ni JR. Pero yung kay JR mababa. Kaya to. Kahit kailan JR. Kasi 'di ba, yung original iaangat niya ng ano? Hanggang sa huli. Yun 'di ba? Kay JR, hindi niya inangat. Hanggang sa huli. Areo.
Anin pa kayang umibig.
Thank you.
Kahit na ano pang mangyayari, di maaring ipagbalik. Sasamahan pa kita hanggang sa huli.
Pag ganito, kaya ko. Pero pag original ng South Border, yung may whistle na ano, hindi ko abot ang ano nun eh. Tsambahan. Okay lang kahit hirap. Yun ang tanong.
Kahit kailan, di kita iiwan. Kahit kailan, di kita.
Babaan na lang natin. Okay, literal na sipol. Selfish. Pakinggan natin na. Aking mami. Sige.
Nagtatanong ang isip, di raw maintindihan. maintindihan kung anong nararamdaman. Dapat mong malaman, sa puso ko'y ikaw lamang ang nag-isa pangangamba. Dapat bang isipin walang hanggan? Asahan mo na kahit kailan di kita iiwan. Kahit kailan, Alexis, di kita pababayaan. Kahit kailan, kahit kailan. Bulaw ng iyong damdamin, pag-ibig na walang hanggan. Well, Coldplay. Ang siyang nais kumakamtan, ngayon ay narito ako, handang umibig sa iyo. Na walang katapusan, pangangamba. Dapat bang isipin walang hanggan? Asahan mo na kahit kailan di kita iiwan. Kahit kailan di kita pababayaan. Kahit kailan, kahit kailan. Kung ikaw ay mawala sa piling ko, di na alam kung kakayanin pa kayang umibig pa muli. Kahit na ano pang mangyayari, di maaring ipagpalit. Sasamahan pa kita hanggang sa huli.
Kalangkad. Ikaw ba dyan? Na? Huwag mong ituloy, masisira ang buhay.
Kahit kailan di kita iiwan. Di kita pababayaan. Kahit kailan di magbabago. Kahit kailan, kahit kailan.
Baka pawisan ako. JR, sobrang galing talaga ng JR Calvo na yan. Ano bang kanta ni JR? Ay, ano yung ano mo? Selfish. Tapos, by NSYNC. Pakinggan ko Tapos mag-JR tayo. Leary, Yuki, Leland Hamni. Thank you, Anna. Happy birthday kahapon. Ulit. Sky, Pogi.
I just don't understand why you're running from a good man, baby. Why you wanna turn your back on love? And why you already giving up? See, I know you've been hurt before, but I swear I'll give you so much more. I swear I'll never let you down, cause I swear it's you that I adore. And I can't help myself, babe, cause I think about you constantly, and my heart gets no rest over you. You can call me selfish, but all I want is your love. And you can call me hopeless, baby, cause I'm hopelessly in love.
Hindi ako nakapaglibana. Parang pagod na pagod yung katawan ko. Hindi ko alam. Sobrang nakakapagod talaga. Kunyari, nag-workout ka ng shoulder, tapos legs. Tas puyat pa. Pag-aralan ko aray. Shy. JR. Kung mahal mo siya, tignan natin ito. Palagi, wala pa. Sige, kantahin natin. Shy. Ayun, first time, may nag-request. Palagi. Bella. Noon, umaabot ka ng 3 to 5 times nung nare-request. Mag-JR na tayo.
Covers TH.
Ito yung mga OG na R&B Prince JR, Chris Lawrence, sino pa ba? JR Shabok, hindi Nang minsan ay naranasan ko mag-isa. Hindi, nang wala pa sila Daryl. Pilit ko na nilimot ang tulad niya, na dati ay mahal na mahal. Wala pa sila Daryl nun. Nakita ka at nasabi kong ikaw na nga ang hinahanap. At ngayon sila Michael Daryl tinarasan na makapiling ko. Ngayon'y naririto, isang katulad mo. Ani, ayaw ko na sa'kin ay nagmamahal na buong tapat.